Stop. I need to ask you something. What pressure are you running in your tires right now? 32 psi, 35, whatever your door sticker says. Then, I need you to watch every second of this video. Because that number on your door, the one you have been trusting your entire driving life, was not put there for you. It was put there for lawyers. And every single month you follow it, someone is getting paid, not you. Today I am showing you 6 things the tire industry has been hiding. The door sticker lie. The correct pressure they never tell you. The TPMS trap that gives you false security. The seasonal pressure drain. The nitrogen scam. And exactly who profits every single time you replace tires 20,000 miles too early. By the end of this, you will never look at that door sticker the same way again. Secret 1. The door sticker lie. Here is what nobody tells you when you drive off that dealership lot. That number on your door jamb, 32 psi, 35 psi, whatever yours says, is not the optimal pressure for your tires. It is not even close to optimal. That number was calculated by liability lawyers, not engineers, not tire specialists, lawyers, covering one specific worst-case scenario that almost never applies to how you actually drive. What does that worst case look like? 5 adults in the car. Trunk packed with luggage. Merging onto a highway at 75 miles per hour in summer heat. Maximum rated weight, maximum stress. That is the situation that number was designed for. Now think about how you actually drive, just you. Maybe one passenger. Maybe some groceries. Your car is carrying hundreds of pounds less than its maximum rated capacity. And that changes everything about what pressure your tires actually need. Here is what happens when you run door sticker pressure in a lightly loaded car. The tire loses its shape. Sidewalls flex too much. The contact patch spreads wider than it should. The center of the tread lifts slightly off the pavement, like an underinflated balloon sagging in the middle. All the vehicle weight concentrates on the outer edges. Those edges do all the gripping, all the wearing, while the center tread goes along for the ride, completely untouched. That is shoulder wear. And it is destroying your tires right now. The worst part. The person who put that number on your door jamb knew exactly what it would do to your tires. And he put it there anyway. Because worn-out tires are not his problem. They are your 800 problem. Stay right here. Because Secret 2 reveals the actual correct pressure that your tire manufacturer already put on your tire, and nobody in the industry has ever once pointed you toward it. Do not skip ahead. Secret 2. The correct pressure they never tell you. Walk out to your car after this video, find the tire sidewall, the side facing you. Look for the words Max Press Rasamam Parasuar. On most standard passenger tires you will see something like Max Press 51 psi. That number is what your tire is actually engineered to handle. Not 32, not 35 Phi1. Now here is where it gets interesting. The optimal pressure for even wear, best fuel economy, and sharpest handling sits 10 to 15% below that maximum. For most standard passenger tires with a 51 psi maximum, that sweet spot lands between 38 and 42 psi, not 32, not 35, 38 to 42. I know exactly what you are thinking right now. That sounds dangerously high. So let me put this in real perspective. If your tire is rated for 51 psi maximum, and you are running 40, that is not even 80% of its rated capacity. You are not overinflating anything. You are running the tire closer to where it was actually designed to perform. The door sticker pressure is not optimized for your tire. It is optimized for lawyers. Here is the proof. A driver ran the same tire model, same brand, same size, same car, same driving habits, with one single variable changed. Pressure, 40 psi instead of 32. At 18,000 miles following the door sticker, tires completely destroyed. Shoulder wear all the way to the wear bars. 800 gone. Second set at 40 psi at 35,000 miles, wearing perfectly even across the entire tread. On track to exceed 70,000 miles. That is nearly 4 times the tire life. Nearly 300 saved every single year, just from ignoring one sticker. Secret 3. The TPMS trap. So you set your pressure correctly. 40 psi. You feel good, and now you are thinking, if anything goes wrong my TPMS warning light will catch it. It will not. Here is how TPMS actually works. That warning light on your dashboard triggers when pressure drops 25% below the manufacturer's recommended level. If your door sticker says 32 psi, that warning light will not illuminate until you hit approximately 24 psi. 24 psi is not a maintenance reminder. That is an emergency. At 24 psi your sidewalls are flexing so severely that heat buildup alone can cause a blowout. Your stopping distance has increased dramatically. Your handling is compromised in ways you cannot feel until something goes wrong. By the time that light comes on, you have already been destroying your tires for weeks, maybe months, silently, while you drove around thinking everything was fine. Think of it this way. Your TPMS is a smoke detector. It does not beep when your cooking gets smoky, it screams when your house is on fire. Two completely different jobs. The fix costs a 15 and 5 minutes every month. A digital tire pressure gauge. Check every single tire cold, before you drive anywhere, on the 1st of every month. Morning checks only. Cold readings give you accurate numbers, 115 total, 1 purchase. Watches your tires for the life of every car you ever own. Stay right here, because Secret 4 is the reason your tires lose pressure without any leak at all, and it catches every single driver off guard the first time it happens. Do not skip ahead. Secret 4. The seasonal pressure drain. You set your tires to 40 psi in September. November hits. Temperature drops. Car starts feeling soft in corners. You grab the gauge, 34 psi. You lost 6 pounds of pressure. Never touched a thing. No puncture, no leak, no damage. This is physics. For every 10-degree drop in outside temperature, your tires lose approximately 1 psi. Just from air contracting in the cold. Set your tires in summer at 80 degrees. Winter drops to 30. That is a 50-degree swing. 5 psi gone without anything happening to your tires at all. That 40 psi you set in August becomes 35 by December. In real winters it could be 30 by January. And your TPMS light, sitting quietly at its 24 psi emergency threshold, will not say a single word the entire time. 2 specific moments to check more than once a month. First 2 weeks of autumn when temperatures start dropping fast. First 2 weeks of spring when they swing back up. Pressure can move 2 to 3 psi in a single week during seasonal transitions. Fast enough to matter before your next monthly check catches it. Secret 5. The nitrogen scam. You have seen this at dealerships and tire shops. Sign on the wall. Nitrogen tire inflation. 5 to 10 per tire. They tell you nitrogen maintains pressure better. Does not fluctuate with temperature. Extends tire life. Sounds scientific. Sounds premium. Here is what they do not tell you. Regular air is already 78% nitrogen. You are paying for an extra 20% purity. That is the entire product. 20% more nitrogen than what is already free at every gas station. The actual measurable difference. Studies show pure nitrogen retains pressure approximately 1 psi better than regular air over an entire year, 1 psi, over 12 months. That is less than the pressure difference between a warm afternoon and a cold morning. Less than the natural permeation your tires lose in 2 weeks just sitting in your driveway. Va $4 across 4 tires for 1 psi per year. The same tire shop that never corrected your 32 psi is charging you $4 for compressed air that is 20% purer than free, with a straight face and a laminated sign. The only vehicles where nitrogen makes a measurable difference: race cars and commercial aircraft. Your daily commute is not that application. Secret 6. Who actually profits from everything I just told you? Remember the question from the beginning. Who benefits every time you replace tires 20,000 miles too early? 3 groups. 3 different ways of profiting from your tire pressure ignorance. First, the manufacturers. They set that door sticker number low deliberately. Not because it is optimal for your tires. Because it covers their worst-case liability scenario. Low number protects them legally. What it does to your tire wear is not their problem. You bought the car already. Second, the tire shops. They know the correct pressure. Every experienced tire technician has seen thousands of sets destroyed by door sticker pressure. He knows what 32 psi does to a lightly loaded car the moment he looks at the shoulder wear. But knowing and volunteering that information are 2 different things. Every time you walk in 20,000 miles early needing a new set, that is 800 in their register. They are not lying to your face. They are just not correcting you. Both cost you the same amount of money. Third, the dealerships. Nitrogen fills, TPMS resets, tire inspections bundled into every service visit. Every single one of these services exists because drivers do not understand tire pressure and do not own a 15 gauge. Informed customers need none of it. Uninformed customers pay for all of it. Repeatedly. Every visit. Every layer of this system extracts money from the same source. Your tire pressure ignorance. And the fix costs 15 and 5 minutes a month. Here is exactly what you do right now. Go to your car. Find the maximum pressure on your tire sidewall. Take your current door sticker number. Add 6 psi, set it there today. Door sticker says 32, set it to 38. Drive 2 weeks. Check the wear pattern. Edges wearing faster, add 2 psi. Center wearing faster, drop 2 psi. Most drivers land between 38 and 42 psi. Set a reminder on your phone right now. First of every month, 5 minutes, 4 tires. Don't. A 300 saved every year. The 15 gauge. 5 minutes a month, that is the entire system beaten. If this just changed what you are going to do this weekend, hit like right now. Share this with every driver you know. Subscribe so you never miss what comes next. Drop a comment and tell me what country you are watching from. I read every single one.